Okay, this one is asking us to find the slope of the line that passes through these given points. Remember that slope is equal to delta y over delta x. So we're going to just set it up like this. And I'm going to take my y values, which is going to be 1/3 minus 5 over x. And the next one is going to be the delta x values are going to be 3 over x, that's where I got this one here, minus 1 over 5. And then we just need to do the math on that, simplify it, because we have a complex fraction. See all the fraction bars within the main fraction there? So we will do the multiplication. We're going to multiply all of this by the least common denominator. And in this case, our least common denominator is actually 15x. Notice the x comes from here and here, but the 15 comes from the 3 and the 5. So I'm multiplying everything by 15x. When I do that, I will be left with, when I do the canceling here, I take 3 into 15x, that gives me 5x. Here, when I take x into 15x, that gives me 15. 15 times negative 5 is negative 75. When I'm using the distributive property and multiplying 15x times 3 over x, these x's cancel. X into 15x is 15 times 3 is 45. 5 into 15x is 3x. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. We've got our fraction bar here. And now it looks like that might be it, but let's just factor it to make sure that it is actually finished. So we can take a 5 out of the numerator, that leaves us with x minus 15. We can take a negative 3 out of the denominator, which leaves us with 15. Hang on, let's get this in the right order. I think I'm seeing something that's going to work here. We're going to get x. Do you see how when I took negative 3 out of this left me with x? And then when I take negative 3 out of this, I'm left with negative 15. Check that out. That cancels, and so now the slope is negative 5 over 3.